Hi, Jeffrey Langlois Vital Nutrition Center here in Brookfield, Wisconsin. Our mission is to help you improve your health naturally. And let's keep it simple. Got kind of the new message for the year, but this kind of goes back. Nourish and detox. Health is very simple. Excellent, abundant health is really simple. It's a matter of making sure you get the good things in, the required nutrients. Your body has required vitamins and required minerals that it must get on a regular basis, okay, to function healthfully. And then we need to make sure we get out the toxic chemicals that can interfere, things that were not in your grandparents' day and age. There's over 80,000 chemicals in our environment that were not here when your grandparents were here. So good stuff in, bad stuff out. Hair testing, we got lots of them. Anyway, so good stuff in, bad stuff out. Non-toxic weed killer, okay? Here is a chance, this will be posted here, non-toxic weed and grass killer. This works fantastic. I just used it again this last weekend. It's just salt, dish soap, and vinegar, okay? If you want, so I'm going to spray that on, and I will post it online for you. It's fabulous. It's non-toxic, and all right. So make it a great day. Your health is your wealth, and I'll see you on the next video.